And diary yourself.
I'm so
Diary your thoughts. You're recording yourself.
I'm so angry. I'm so angry.
You were born like that.
Can you see my two missing?
No, not right now. You have to take those things out. That's what.
I want a burger.
Just record yourself, okay?
The Western bacon burger. Oh,
I just want bacon and something.
so good. And nothing crispy.
See, that's why you live like that. They keep eating you and live like that.
But these people are so nice.
They're so nice?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they asked me, I'm okay. I'm just like, I'm okay.
You didn't tell them you were in pain?
Yeah. They said, yeah, your pills.
And where are your pills at?
They have to get their prescription and go get them.
Did they
I
already
can't
get
go
them?
like, oh, it's in there.
Oh, okay.
I hate her.
So awful. You're still losing. Maybe the glasses are affecting your hair. Take those off.
I can't feel my tongues.
What happened?
Touch my tongue.
I ain't touching your tongue. You don't know.
Touch my tongue.
You don't know what my hands mean.
There you go. There you go. Who came in with you today?
Touch your tongue. You're weird.
Your mom's already done.
Alright.
She'll be coming over here right now, and then you guys will be ready to go, okay?
Alright. She's in pain already.
Yeah, she is. Here's some instructions in English,
Alright.
and also I'm gonna give them to you in Spanish so your mom can read them in case, okay?
Alright. Thank you.
Those are in Spanish. I'm gonna give you a couple more things. I already talked to your mom. I told her to start off with something cold, okay? And soft. Like a smoothie, a milkshake.
Some Starbucks? Does she do Starbucks?
Starbucks is fine as long as it's not with a straw, okay? It's gotta be with a spoon or directly to a cup,
Alright.
okay? No straws. Second, once she has something in her stomach, your mom says she has ibuprofen with her. I don't know if with her or
Uh-huh.
at home or give her some. If you guys aren't gonna go to the pharmacy anytime soon, give her right after she has a milkshake or something. Give her some medication, okay?
Alright.
Because she's already hurting, huh? Yeah, this is hers too. I will give you a few more things.
What's that for?
Kill you with.
I'm so ugly.
Apparently you were born. I'm sorry.
I'm so ugly.
Record yourself? Look, you're so ugly you cracked the phone.
Here's some gauze. What's wrong?
I'm so ugly.
No, you're not. Relax. You just have a bunch of gauze in your mouth.
I told you.
It's just a gauze. Oh my god. It's okay. It's just the gauze. You want me to take the gauze out so you can see? Look. Give me a second.
I told you those things you have in your mouth.
It's just the stings you got in your mouth, girl. Relax. Open your mouth, please. Watch, I'm gonna show you right now. It's all gonna go down right now. It's just I put a bunch of gauze in there. But there, look. No more swelling.
You say you're still ugly.
Sí, dice que está el dolor.
Ya, por eso.
Tiene dolor.
Estoy enojado contigo.
¿Por qué conmigo? Si yo también estaba ocupada.
Porque ya tiene tiempo en dolor. Por eso.
Okay. Where's your car at, bro? In the front?